All right, Caleb, let's go to school.
Okay, Mom.
Have a good day, son. I am gonna be heading off to work.
Let's go, you guys. I love you, Caleb.
I love you too, Mom. Bye.
Bye.
Cousin Steve.
Huh, Caleb? Hey buddy, I'm a little tired today.
Oh, okay, then. I think I saw our cousin Memmy outside.
Yeah, he is on the phone with this new girl or something. I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna be heading off to class now.
Okay, bye.
Good morning, Caleb. You may take your seat.
Good morning, Mrs. Logan.
Anyways, good morning pre-Kers. Happy Monday. Today we are going to be doing math. Charlie, what is 2 plus 2?
Tom, I'm 4.
Tag's correct, Charlie.
Hey,
Jen,
Charlie,
what's
do
7
you
plus
want to
1?
become friends?
Sure thing, Caleb.
Okay, Caleb and Charlie. Let's pay attention. Anyways, Jane, what's 10 plus 10?
20?
Correct.
Mrs. Logan, may I use the bathroom?
Go right ahead.
Thank you. Off to the bathroom. Wait a minute. What is that lever? Pull, in case of fire. I'm gonna pull it. Oh,
Kids, go, go. I gotta get Caleb from the bathroom. He is not in there, he probably evacuated. We have everyone.
This is Principal Richardson, to notify that this fire alarm was a false alarm. Someone pulled the fire alarm with intention. We will be looking to the security cameras to find out who did it. Do you know why I called you in here? Our cameras caught you pulling the fire alarm. This act can suspend you for the rest of the school year. Your parents have been notified. Your mom will be coming here shortly. Go get your bag and come sit in here.
Caleb Lewis Andrews. Let's go home right now.
are you angry, Mom?
Angry does not describe that your actions could have caused a fine and expulsion from the school.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Sorry does not freaking work in this situation. You are grounded for 7 months. Go to bed now.
Wah, 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 wah,